Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video answering several questions that you have left me in relation to a fault that appears in the vehicle, especially in the seats of the VAG group, the EPC. Okay, let's see EPC, electronic pressure control, or what would be the electronic pressure control, or what is the same. This is indicating a failure of the electronic throttle. Of course, you have to look at the throttle body, because it seems that the fault tells us that the problem is there, but in 80% of the cases the fault usually comes from the switch, the brake light switch, the one on the brake pedal. Because this is a generic fault and covers many things, so the AQ sometimes detects a fault and tends to pull towards this generic error, the EPC. On other occasions it may also be that the throttle body is bad. It may also be that the sensor is bad, such as it is an electronic throttle body, also the throttle sensor on brake pedal. But as I said, if you don't have a diagnostic machine, do the test to see if the brake lights work. Step on the brake pedal and see if the lights turn on and off as they should, otherwise they work that way. I won't say that you step on and see that the lights do not come on, or that sometimes they stay on continuously, because you already know where the problem may come from. As I said, if it does not come from there, you would have to put the machine in. You should now look for the fault, because it can be many other things. But look around. As I say, 80% of the times when the brake pedal light switch fails, that error also appears, the EPC. Well, here you have this video. If it has been useful for you, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.